what do you think the benefit is of a curious life?
Well, there's always more. Like, I just remember when I was probably 25, I had this peer, this cooking peer, who had opened a restaurant and he was a chef. And I said something like, oh, I can't wait to go to wherever and learn from whoever. And he's like, I'm done learning. I was like, you're 25, you're done learning? Like, what are you talking about? Like, there's a whole life out there. There's a whole world out there.
Yeah.
And I think, to me, the greatest joy is sort of just being incredibly curious. And also, like, I'm not only curious about the world, but I'm also, like, really nosy, you know? And so... So I just am.
So the mayor must love you.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Because you got the gossip. You know what's going on in the hood.
And so, but there's just this way where I want to know what different people's experiences are.